Goa is a beautiful state in Indian country. It is known as a little paradise on earth, and its food is even more divine and amazing. Today I am sharing the most staple diet of every Goan called the rice and curry. This is a staple sheet kodi recipe that you can find in any Goan home. It is prepared with prawns, fish, ladyfinger, drumstick, which is a Goan vegetable, or even potatoes. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare the authentic Goan prawn curry. It is a spicy, tangy curry that can be enjoyed with a side vegetable dish, fried fish, or fried prawns, or anything of your choice. What we waiting for? Let's get started. Let's marinate the prawns. I have taken around 10 to 12 medium sized prawns here, and I'm marinating it with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for about an hour. For the curry, I've used 3 green chillies and 3 potatoes. To prepare the masala paste, you'll need 1 bowl of tamarind, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds, 3 Bedgi chillies, 4 kashmiri chillies, 1 onion, around 8 to 9 cloves, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 3 large sized garlic cloves, and 1 inch ginger. And I'm also using 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Grind this to a smooth fine paste by adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder and use sufficient water to get a thick paste. For the curry, heat around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pot and add the marinated prawns and fry them really well until they are brownish in color. Once they look something like this, at this point add the grounded paste that we have prepared earlier. Stir everything well and cover it and allow it to cook on medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. This is to ensure that the ground masala paste cooks really well and does not remain raw. Once the masala paste has cooked thoroughly, at this point add around 2.5 cups of water. I've used the same bowl that I used to marinate the prawns to add the water. Check for the consistency and adjust the amount of water required accordingly. So I have used around 2.5 cups here. As we'll be adding potato later on, the curry will eventually get thicker. So it's better to make it into a thin consistency first and then allow it to thicken as it cooks. Add 3 green slit chillies and around 4 to 5 Kokum. This is widely available in Goa and it is also available in any Asian stores. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Allow to cook for 5 minutes and then add around 3 to 4 crushed Tefla. Tefla enhances the flavor of the curry, but if you don't have it available, you can completely skip this step. Add the chopped potatoes. I have chopped them into cubes. You can also add chopped lady fingers at this point, or even substitute the potatoes with drumsticks, which is a Goan vegetable. Again, you can find it in any Asian stores. Mix everything really well and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. The secret ingredient that makes the curry even more delicious, besides using the Tefla, is adding 1 Maggi cube. Okay, so I'm using the vegetarian one. Now, if you don't have this Maggi cube, you can completely skip this step and you can just adjust the flavor using salt and Kokum. But this secret ingredient enhances the flavor of the curry even more. So I'm going to use one of this and I'm going to check for the flavor and adjust the salt if necessary, because this one contains salt. So if it adjusts the flavor, then I won't need to add more salt. Mix everything well and add chopped coriander. Now normally we don't add coriander in Goan curry, but if you want to increase the flavor, then you can just go ahead and add some chopped coriander. I like my curry spicy, so I have added around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can completely skip this step again. And I've checked the taste and adjusted the salt as required. Mix everything well, allow it to boil for more 10 minutes on medium flame. Check if the potatoes are cooked. If not, cook it for some more time. And your Goan curry, prawn curry is ready to be served. You can substitute the prawns with any fish of your choice and it tastes absolutely delicious. I really enjoyed my meal. So you go ahead and do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. Trust me, you won't regret it. This is the most divine and most amazing recipe you would ever taste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I drop a new recipe. Do like and share my video with your friends and family. Until then, take care and stay safe.